Guardians, this right here, this is the first ever device that captured a YouTube video for my YouTube channel, and looking at this machine right here just brings me back to a time about exactly 1 year ago when I was sitting by myself in my Atlanta apartment and I had no friends, I had nothing to do, and I just decided that I want to continue making YouTube videos for the rest of my life. At the time, about exactly a year ago, I'd already been making YouTube videos for about a month, and the reason that I started this whole thing was just because I was just sitting alone, and I always watched YouTube videos. I'd watched YouTube videos for years, and they always made me feel so happy. And I thought to myself,